consideration is the tone and personality of your chatbot. While chatbots are designed to simulate human conversation, they are still computer programs, and their responses can come across as cold or robotic if not designed properly. To avoid this, it's important to give your chatbot a friendly and conversational tone, and to use language that is natural and easy to understand. Another consideration is the integration of your chatbot with other customer service channels. While chatbots can be a powerful tool for handling customer inquiries, they should not be used in isolation. Customers should be able to easily switch between the chatbot and other channels, such as phone or email, depending on their needs and preferences. Additionally, it's important to provide a seamless experience across all channels, so that customers don't feel like they are starting over each time they switch channels. Finally, it's important to consider the privacy and security implications of using chatbots. Chatbots often handle sensitive customer information, such as personal details or financial information, so it's important to ensure that your chatbot is designed to protect this information. This may include using encryption or other security measures to prevent unauthorized access, as well as complying with relevant privacy regulations, such as GDPR or CCPA. Another consideration when using chatbots is to ensure that they are easily accessible to customers. This means that they should be integrated into the website or app in a way that is intuitive and easy to find. Customers should not have to go through multiple steps or search for the chatbot in order to use it. Additionally, it's important to make sure that the chatbot is visible and available on all pages of the website or app, so that customers can access it wherever they are. Another way to improve the effectiveness of your chatbot is to use analytics and data to track customer interactions and identify areas for improvement. By analyzing the types of inquiries that customers are making, the responses that the chatbot is providing, and customer feedback, businesses can identify patterns and make changes too. Improve the chatbot's performance. For example, if customers are frequently asking about a specific product or service, businesses can create a dedicated fact or knowledge base to address these questions and free up the chatbot to handle other inquiries. It's also important to continually update and improve your chatbot over time. As customer needs and preferences change, businesses should update the chatbot's training data and responses to ensure that it remains relevant and effective. Additionally, businesses should monitor emerging trends and technologies in the chatbot space to ensure that they are using the latest and most effective tools and techniques. Finally, it's important to remember that chatbots are just one part of a broader customer service strategy. While chatbots can be a powerful tool for handling certain types of customer inquiries, they should not be used as a substitute for human interaction. Businesses should still provide opportunities for customers to speak with human representatives when needed, and should train their representatives to work effectively with the chatbot too. Provide a seamless and integrated customer experience. Another important consideration when using chatbots is to ensure that they are designed to handle customer inquiries in a way that is consistent with your brand and values. This means that the chatbot's responses should reflect the tone and personality of your business, and should align with your brand messaging and values. For example, if your business prides itself on being friendly and approachable, the chatbot's responses should be designed to convey that same tone. It's also important to ensure that your chatbot is designed to handle a wide range of customer inquiries and issues.